Hi, this is Madhusudan Rao. Welcome to our technical series related to Oracle Database 23i. In this video, we will see how to transform and transfer data from a source system to a target system by using data transforms. This data transforms can be accessed from Oracle Autonomous Database under Database Actions menu. To enable data transforms, under More Actions, click on Edit Tools Configuration, and here you see by default data transform is disabled. You need to enable that. You set the eCPU count and maximum idle time, and if it is idle for some time, the machine will be shut down or terminated. So we'll keep it as 30 minutes with 2 eCPU count and apply these settings. After you click on apply button, this will update the autonomous database and it will go for a restart. Once it is available, you can copy the link for data transformation and paste it in a new browser. From Autonomous Database Actions menu, let us check the database version. To do that, click on SQL and here select star from $version. This will return us the database version. As you can see, it is Oracle Database 19c. This is our source database. We would like to create a data transformation user. To do that, while we are at SQL worksheet, run these following commands: create user data transfer user identified by the password. Similarly, grant DW role to the data transfer user. Grant data transfer user to data transfer. Begin ORDS enable schema for this user. You can briefly pause the video and review the SQL statements. Now let us download the Autonomous Database Wallet for the source database. To do that, under Database Connections menu, click on Download Wallet and provide the wallet password and click on Download button. Now let us log into Destination Autonomous Database instance and download a wallet. This autonomous database is in altogether a different tenancy. I have already created an always free version of Autonomous Database 23ai. So let me just click on Database Connection and download the wallet. You can check the database version and you can see that this is showing Oracle Database 23ai Enterprise Edition. From the source database, access Database Actions, Data Studio and Data Transforms. Click on Data Studio and then click on Data Transforms. This will take a couple of minutes to create the hardware infrastructure to access data transforms. Once the setup is ready, log in to Data Transforms as a data transform user. Now let us create a database connection to 19c database environment. Click on Create Connection. Here you can see there are various other options as well. Provide the connection name, database connection name for source DB. Upload the wallet file. Choose the service name. In this case, let us select Hi and provide the database username and password. Click on Test Connection and then Create Connection. If you click on Create Connection, you can see various database options that are available. Let us go with Oracle Database. Now let us create a database connection to our target database. So provide the name for connection, that is target database connection. In this case, our database is 23i, so I would name it as 23i destination. Toggle the use credential file, upload the wallet, select the service name and provide the database username and password. Test the connection. If it is successful, create a connection. Now let us create a source table and load some records into the database table. Log out as an admin and log in as test user 1 and create the employee table. Employee table will have employee ID, name, salary and bonus. Run an insert query to upload couple of records. Run a select query to verify that records have been populated. Now create a data transfer project. Click on create project and provide the project name. Click on the project. Click on create data load. Provide the name for the data load project and description. In this case, we will select the input data source. Click next. Select the connection type. Select Oracle. And you should see the two connections that we established. Select the source database and select the schema. Now select the target database, select the target schema. Now make a note that our source is a 19C autonomous database, whereas our target is 23AI autonomous database, and they both are in a different tenancy. Click on save. Now we can see the detailed data load screen. And you can see the table that is of interest to us, that is employee income table, the one that we had created. Select the target action as append. So we basically want to add more records every time there is a new record that comes in, and run the entity. You can see there are various other options like incremental merge, increment approved, recreate, truncate, append, do not load. So you can select this based on what is your requirement. So let us go by append for this example. It will take some time. You can see the current status is running, and you can also view the job details. After some time, you can see that the job has been completed, that you can verify in the status, that is all checked green. If it is having some issue, then you will see that status might have some issues. So under that case, you might need to recheck the connection. In this case, everything looks all right. So I'm logging into the destination database, that is 23AI database Apex environment. And when I look at the tables, you can see that employee income table has been created, and you can also see that the data has been loaded. That means to say, we have successfully transferred data from source database 19C autonomous database to 23AI autonomous database. You can also view the entities that took part in this transformation by clicking on data entities. You can see the column names. In fact, like you can remove some columns if you don't want to transfer all these columns. You can create more projects with different types of actions. Now let us see how we can work with data transformation. Click on transform data, provide the name for data transformation, and select the project that we already created. Click on next button, select the connection. In this case, let us select the source connection for autonomous database 19C, and then select the schema. Click on save. So this will bring in data transformation screen, and you can see various options like data transform, data preparation, machine learning, text and spatial. So let us add a schema from the source database. We will select the schema, import the schema. This shows tables and views. In this case, let us select table, click on start. Now on the left hand side, you can see the employee table has been imported from the schema, source schema. So drag and drop it on the canvas. You can add a filter. Connect the employee income table with this filter. And you can put a condition here. For example, we want say employees with a salary greater than 1 lakh. Click on save. So now this filter condition has been applied. You can apply more conditions here to filter out the data. Now under data preparation, drag and drop data cleansing. Connect the filter to cleanse. Here we might want to make some minor changes for this table data. Replace the null string with the blank values and then modify the case to say title case. You can do various things here for cleansing the data the way you want to present it in the target system. So now click on next. Now we want this data, the cleansed data, to move into to be copied into the target system. So select the destination connection, select the schema user. In this case, my destination system, that is 23i, has doc user. Provide the name for this data entity. Please make a note of this name, high income employees. Since we had a condition where we filtered employees based on a certain salary. So this is important to remember. Click on next. Choose the column that you want to send. Click on save. In the canvas, we can see now that high income group table has been created. Now our data preparation is ready. Click on save. Click on the run button to execute this one. This will now start the data flow. So just to recall, what we did is we took the employee income table from the source database. We applied a filter for higher income group, and then we cleansed the data, and then we chose the destination table and we created a job. This will take a couple of seconds to run through the entire job. You can view the job status. So if you look at the destination table, once the job is run, we have created a high income employee table. You can also see the old table, that is employee income table. So basically the new job has created a new table that we had named as high income employees. Thanks for watching the video. I hope the video was helpful. Have a great day and take care.